Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Minas Masum. Today's our topic name is brief outline, production process, limitation, advantage, yarn properties and end uses of compact yarn. Me and my teammate Farmazul Islam Shanja and Alauddin Shubo will briefly discuss about the topic and I will try to cover brief outline of compact yarn, flowchart of compact yarn, production process of compact yarn. Brief outline of compact yarn. What is compact yarn? Compact yarn is a type of yarn produced by modifying the spinning process to reduce the hairiness and protruding fibers on the surface of the yarn. The yarn has substantially smaller hairiness at a very good world level below 5% for carded yarns and likewise for compact yarn. It is produced from the compact spinning process. What is compact spinning process? The compact spinning is a process where the drafted fiber strand is condensed or compacted in wet before twist is inserted to it. This innovative process reduces fiber hairiness and improves yarn structure. Hence, it creates a yarn that is exceptionally smooth, strong, and uniform. It has several advantages over other type of yarns like the durability, consistency, and less shedding. Additionally, this significantly improves the yarn's quality. It minimizes peeling, lean formation, and the potential for snagging or fraying. Also, the reduced hairiness enhances the yarn's visual appeal, giving it sleek and refined appearance. The yarn manufacturing has some limitation: cost, instrument installment, and maintenance cost. So, production cost of compact yarn is higher than the other type of yarn because of high prices compact spinning process. We see the figure ring spinning system and compact spinning system. Basic problem associated with conventional ring spinning system. The spinning triangle is the major weak place in yarn formation zone and therefore most of the end breakage in ring frame are occurring in spinning triangle and which is largely influence the machine efficiency. Therefore, it needs to have control over formation of spinning triangle and which is made possible by compact spinning. We see the figure. Left side is ring spinning, right side is compact spinning, and upper portions of this figure drafted fiber strand and lower portions is width of spinning triangle, which are less width than drafted fiber strand, and also compact spinning width of spinning triangle less than ring spinning. So it is minimize the problem with the help of compact spinning process and smooth compact yarn produce. Flowchart of compact yarn manufacturing. First stage of mixing, then blow room, carding after blow room, 4 step is pre-drawing, lab forming, 6 step is combing, post-drawing after combing, then robbing manufacturing, and combed spinning, and last step is winding. Production process of compact yarn. Here's detailed descriptions compact yarn manufacturing. First step is mixing. Various types of fibers, including natural and synthetic, are mixed to achieve the desired characteristics of the final yarn, such as texture, strength, and color. Second step is blow room. In the blow room, the mixed fibers are opened and cleaned to remove impurities like dust, dirt, and short fibers. Third step is carding. Carding also removes remaining impurities and prepares the fibers for further processing. Pre-drawing. In the pre-drawing process, the carded sliver is drawn to reduce its thickness and improve its strength. Fifth stage is lab forming. The pre-drawing sliver is passed through a lab forming machine where it is converted into a lab or large thick sheet of fibers. Sixth step is combing. Combing improves the quality of yarn by increasing its strength, smoothness, and uniformity. Seventh step is post drawing. After combing, the fibers are drawn again to further reduce their thickness and improve their alignment. Eighth step is robbing manufacturing. The drawn fibers are converted into robbing, which is slightly twisted string of fibers. Ninth step is compact spinning. In compact spinning, the robbing is fed into compact spinning machine where the fibers are spun into yarn under high tension and with reduced airflow. Last step is winding. The spun yarn is wound onto cones or bobbin for storage, transportation, and further processing. This ending of flowchart of yarn manufacturing of compact yarn. And following methods are used by machine manufacturer to condense the fiber strand. Firstly, aerodynamic condensing. Secondly, manufacturing condensing. Thirdly, magnetic condensing. The most important requirement for perfect compact yarn is complete parallel arrangement of fibers and close position before twist is imparted. So comp or spin rater systems are given below. In this system, the condensing is done by aerodynamic force. The delivery bottom roller of drafting system is replaced by perforated drum. The fixed suction system under the perforated drums which creates generate air current on drum. The air guide elements plays important role in condensing process as air is guided by air guide element and this air current helps to condense the fiber strand. The yarn produced on this system is named by rater as comfort yarn. 4 indicates the basic advantage comfort yarn mentioned below. Reduce hairiness, maximum strength and elongation, minimum environment impact. And my part is finished and my next teammate Farmazul Islam Sanjatu, welcome.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Farmazul Islam Shanja from Textile Engineering College, Jorarganj, Chattogram. Now I am going to talk about the advantage and the disadvantage of compact yarn. Improvement in tensile properties, strength, reduced hairiness as well as improved regularity of a yarn are the key benefits of compact yarn. Here some of the advantages of compact yarns are discussed. Durability. Compact yarn is durable and resistant to wear and tear. Hence, garments made from this yarn will last longer and require less maintenance. Also, clothes and accessories would not tend to lose their shape of development consistency. Fabric made from this yarn will have a uniform appearance and will be more pleasing to the eye. Additionally, they tend to avoid uneven seams of irregular tension. Definition of seams. Compact yarn provides excellent seams definition, therefore the fine dense fiber allows stitch to stand out and create a beneficial product. Less shading. These yarn are strong and hence they lead to maintenance loose fibers. As maximum number of fibers are integrated into yarn body during spinning, so better utilization of fiber are the same time less fly generation and clean atmosphere. Yarn twist can be reduced by 10% while maintaining the same strength as the conventional ring yarn. Therefore, it is possible to increase the machine speed which ultimately results into increased production. Increased strength and breaking elongation of yarn due to less producing fiber and improved orientation of fiber which leads to full realization of fiber strength. Less expensive raw material can be used to produce good quality yarn. Singeing can be completely eliminated so better quality yarn can be produced. Noil percentage at comber can be reduced as short fiber are better integrated into yarn body during spinning. The improved characteristics of compact yarns gives higher yarn sales price. Lower twist can be employed in doubling to improve the strength of yarn. The compact spun yarn gives more clean-cut contrast design. Limitations of compact yarn. Number 1. Compact yarns manufacturing costs are higher than the conventional ring spinning. Due to the somewhat higher costs for labor, accessories, energy and disappearing for the consistency until the yarn production costs increase. The cost of compact spinning machine is very high in comparison to ring spinning machine. Uh, Manufacturers claim running of man-made fibers and their blends very difficult because of the different densities of different type of fibers requires different values of suction pressure to have same condensation effect. Compact spinning machines have a higher airflow rate due to air suction in condensing zone of the drafting area. Therefore, the machine can be covered with dust and fly within a very short period, so need to a strong cleaning work which is increasing compact yarn manufacturing cost. The compact spinning process is more compared to conventional spinning method required skilled operator and technicians. Achieving consistent yarn evenness can be more challenging with compact spinning, leading to potential quality issues. Compact spinning machines require regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance, leading to downtime and production interruption. The compact spinning process may consume more energy compared to conventional spinning method, contributing to higher operating costs. Compact yarn may not be suitable for all type of fabric of end users, limiting its versatility. In addition to the great improvement in the hairiness index, other indicators of the yarn such as evenness, thickness and details have not improved much. Thanks to all for remaining with me.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Alauddin Shubho. Now I am discussing yarn properties of compact yarn. Compact yarn are known for their unique properties include compact yarn is exceptional, strong and durable. Compact yarn have a smooth surface due to reduces fiber protrusion which enhances the fabric's feel and appearances. They exhibit higher tensile strength and abrasion resistance compared to conventional spun yarns, making them suitable for durable fabrics. Compact spinning reduces irregularities in yarn thickness, resulting in more uniform and consistent fabrics properties. These yarn have fewer loose fiber or hairs, which reduce feeling, improves, and the fabric's appearances. Compare the properties of ring spun yarn, Sarson Elite, and Comfort Reactor Compact yarn. Actual count variation of yarn thin places. Ring spun yarn greater than Sarson Elite Compact yarn and Comfort Reactor Compact spun yarn. Comparison of compact yarn and conventional ring yarn or character of compact yarn. Twist, tenacity, breaking, elongation, hardness, evenness, thin places, compact yarn greater than ring yarn, and uses of compact yarn. Compact yarn has several end uses across various industries. Here are common end uses of this yarn described below. Compact yarn is an excellent choice for long-lasting and high-performance textiles such as sportswear, sheeting, and shirtings. Compact yarn is widely used in the production of high-quality apparel fabrics such as shirts, trousers, and dresses due to its smoother surface and enhanced strength. It's used in the manufacturing of home textile like bed lines, towels, and curtains, providing durability and soft feel. Compact yarn is employed in technical textile for application like automotive textile, geotextile, and medical textile due to its uniformity and strength. In the knitting industry, compact yarn is used to produce high quality knit garments such as sweaters, socks, and sportswear, offering better stitch definition and feeling resistance. In the industry utilizes compact yarn in produce like conveyor belt, filtration fabric, and roof due to its enhanced tensile strength and abrasion resistant. Additional, the fabric manufacturing using this yarn have vibrant and long-lasting colors, so compact yarn is used in making long-lasting color fabrics. Conclusion: present review is taking to understand the root causes which are influence the major yarn characterized on conventional ring frame. Many resources and industrialists have already shown the improvement in iron characteristics and thereby improvement in subsequent process efficiency by adoption of compact spinning technology. However, despite of few disadvantages, the compact spinning system making of compact iron can be system of luster and effort should be made be overcome these difficulties to make it more beautiful, decorative, valuable, so that compact iron can be used in more text sectors.